Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you guys my sausage bread. Well, do you know why I'm showing you on how to do it without using any machine? Because I don't want you to think, guys, that you can't make it. And I want to help, especially those single parents. I know there's a lot of single parents around the world, and I want them uh, I want to show them some ways on how to earn money. You know, so what are the ways a single mom who is below the poverty level can earn enough money to become financially independent and able to support herself and her child or children if she isn't able to get child support or much help with child care? And this is my way on helping them. I'm sorry guys, I talk a lot. So maybe it is better to write those ingredients and measurements in this video. So please watch the full video because I'm gonna write all the procedures and ingredients in this video. Enjoy watching guys, and thank you for watching to all my videos. If the dough starts sticking to your hands, add a little more flour to your hands, just a little bit, rather than to the dough. So you don't throw off that careful ratio of ingredients in your bread recipe. As you knead, you'll start to feel the texture of the dough change. And just wait until it won't stick on your hands anymore, just like a rubber. I rub a little bit of butter so that it won't stick in my hands until just a little bit for you to knead it. It won't stick on your hands. This is what I mean. It never stick in your hands, and it's looks like rubbery, like a rubber. Look, because of the gluten. That's already ready, and set aside until double its sizes.